Yoga for anxiety and stress. Find your inner calm. Feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Anxiety and stress are common, but finding relief doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll explore gentle yoga techniques to calm your mind, relax your body, and create harmony in your everyday life. Let's breathe and begin. Yoga is more than just exercise. It's a way to reconnect with yourself. Through mindful movements and controlled breathing, yoga helps reduce stress hormones, lower your heart rate, and bring you back to the present moment. It nurtures both your mental wellness and emotional stability. Start by sitting comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale through your nose, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat 3 times. Notice your thoughts settling and your body softening. This simple breathing technique anchors you, reducing feelings of restlessness and worry. Let's flow through a few easy poses. Begin with child's pose. Sink back into it, letting your forehead touch the mat. Feel the stretch in your back and the release of tension. Next, try cat-cow pose, moving gently to encourage flexibility and relaxation along your spine. Pause and savor each pose. After your flow, ease into a forward fold. As you bend, imagine your worries rolling off your shoulders, melting into the ground. This posture soothes overactive thoughts while sending a calming signal to your nervous system. It's a powerful reminder of how deeply our body and mind connect. After your movements, find stillness. Sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Repeat a calming mantra like "I am grounded" or "peace flows through me." Let each word serve as a gentle reminder that you have the strength to navigate life's hurdles with grace and resilience. Yoga teaches us to stay in the present, where stress doesn't overwhelm us. By centering yourself with breath and movement, you'll find that peace grows within you. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about progress, choosing to slow down and be kind to yourself today. Your journey doesn't have to end here. Make yoga part of your daily wellness ritual, even for just a few minutes. Subscribe for more uplifting practices, share this video with friends who need a calming reset, and join our community of healing. Together, let's find serenity, one breath at a time.